Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a thank you scratch off card. I felt like this would be something fun and creative that you can include in your packages and giveaway bags and thank you bags that you give to your customers to show them your appreciation for them shopping with you. Also a fun way to get new customers. I used the Canva platform to create my design. I used Vistaprint to print my cards, and I brought my scratch off stickers from Amazon. Um, and you can use the Canva free or you can use the premium one. And now I'm going to walk you through how I design my card. This is the front of my card, and this is how the back looks. So you go into Canva and you click create a design, and you will enter in the custom dimensions that you want. Now I went to Vistaprint first to get an idea of how I wanted my card to look. I chose the postcard option, and here you can see this is the postcard option. I chose the 4.2 by 5.5, and I took that those measurements and googled them to convert them over to pixels, because that's what you have to use inside of Canva is pixels. So you go to the main page of Canva, click create design custom dimensions, and you type that in, and then it will take you to the next page where you start to design your card. Now I created mine on the mobile app, but you can do it on either mobile app or on the desktop, and you just go through and scroll through the templates that they have, or you can create one from scratch. So I just went through and chose one that I liked. Again, I found this specific design on the mobile app. They have the same ones on the mobile app and on the desktop, I believe, but they just populate differently. So again, this was one that popped up on the mobile app and I liked it, and it's the one that I decided to go with. You can change your font, you can change the color and all of that. And here is the back of my card. I used that same template, but I just took off the other shapes and that was included on there. It had like a triangle shape. I took that off, and I chose to use circles because the stickers are in a circle shape. So you can go to the side, click on shapes, and choose type in circles, and there I have different ones that pop up, and you choose whichever one that you want. And I went in and typed in my different discount codes and things like that. And then after you do that, you want to save both of those designs and download them so that you will be able to upload them into Vistaprint. So you go back to Vistaprint, and again you choose your orientation, you choose the size you want, you choose the paperweight, you choose the type of finish you want. I think it's like a gloss finish or a matte finish. I think I chose gloss for mine. And then you'll also choose the quantity that you want. They go all the way up to like 10,000, but you choose whichever one you want. I chose 50, and then you start designing your card. Once you click on start designing, I chose the blank one where you can just upload your own design. I also did this from my mobile device, which was a lot easier for me, but you can use the mobile device or the desktop. And once you go in, you can upload your design there. When you're uploading it from the desktop, sometimes it doesn't like show up big like you need it to. I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. I didn't have this issue on my phone, but I noticed on the desktop I had to drag it within the outline, and then make it bigger so that it wouldn't show up small like this when it print out. So be sure that that's something that you do. You just make it fit within those lines so that you get the full design all over and it's big enough to read. And after you do that, you'll click next to upload the design on the back. Now when you do the back one, be sure to click full color. It's at the top. You click full color. Right here I'm going to go ahead and upload my design, and I'll show you why it's important to click full color. If you don't click full color, then it will not upload to, you won't be able to upload it on the side. So once you go back up and click full color, you'll be able to upload that design on the back, and you will have to go through the same steps of dragging it out to be sure that it fits within the outline on Vistaprint. Now I will say you can also print cards from Canva. I haven't tried that yet, but I've heard people say that they've brought cards from Canva as well, and they came out really well. They were satisfied with the design. So after you get the correct size that you want, you can click next. And then it'll show you a preview of what the finished product will look like. You click I have reviewed and approved the design, and you click next, and then you can check out. You can either create an account or you check out as a guest. For this video, I'm going to check out as a guest. You can go through and make sure that's the quantity that you want, and then you go out through the checkout process. It took me about a week to get my cards. That came in about a week. And here are the scratch off circles that I used. I brought them from Amazon. I'm going to include the link in the description box below. They're 1 inch in diameter, and there's just little stickers that you peel off and put on your cards. I think it was about 100 in there, if I'm not mistaken. And then I'm going to just show you how I went through and placed them on the back of my card. You don't have to use as many as I did. You use as many as you want, but it's how I chose to do mine. I would also say you can also include on there, scratch off to win a prize or something like that. I didn't include that on this batch. I'll probably do it on my next one. And here's the finished product. I hope you like this video. Thank you.